These are exceptional times.
F'intervista mal-istazzjon Amerikan CNBC, il-Ministru responsabbli mill-Enerġija Miriam Dalli qalet li dawn iż-żminijiet huma perjodu straordinarju ta' kriżi li qed jolqtu ħażin lill-Istati membri kollha tal-Unjoni Ewropea. Fit-tmiem laqgħa tal-Ministri tal-Enerġija tal-Unjoni Ewropea fi Brussell, il-Ministru Miriam Dalli qalet li l-Istati membri jridu jaħdmu bejniethom biex blat kaxkir tas-saqajn isibu soluzzjoni fattibbli għall-ġid taċ-ċittadini Ewropej kollha.
These are exceptional times, so we do not have several months dragging if we really want to arrive at a workable solution. Ultimately, what Malta needs, and I'm sure that most of the member states need the same, is a workable solution. This is a situation that is affecting all EU member states. So when we look at this package, we want to make sure that we have something where all the EU member states are really coming together, because this is not a crisis that is impacting one member state or the other. But time is of the essence.